So we're here in Canva, of course, and the first thing we're gonna do is go to the search box here, and I'm gonna type in letter. Well, I see it coming up here, but you would type in letter and then click on it because we want letter size documents or papers here, or sheets. Now I'm gonna be choosing a blank template here. All right, so once you have your template up, guys, right, you're gonna click on elements right here. Then you're gonna type in lines. Now we're gonna click on this line that is here, right? And I'm gonna start off by changing the color of it. Gonna make it black. All right, now I want my line to be thinner. Guys, if you want your line to be thinner, you could just go ahead and drag to minimize the size of the line. I'm gonna keep it at around this size. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come right here and click on this to zoom the page to 100%. My lines are still looking a bit too thick, so let me minimize it some more. Right, so I'm gonna click and hold and drag this. And then now, guys, to get your line, you would just press on this part of the line right here and just drag it across the page like this. And what I'm gonna use this pink border that you see coming up. That's what I'm gonna use to determine where I stop my line at. So I'm not gonna go beyond this line. So I'm gonna extend this side a bit more, right, until it reaches that pink line. I can extend this one some more as well. All right, I think I can bring this over a bit more. Right, that should be good. All right, so now, guys, I am going to go ahead. Now, there are a couple ways that you could go about copying this line so you can have more of them. You could come here and click on duplicate, as I've done. Line it up. And guys, in terms of deciding what space you want between the lines, you can use these pink lines that you see coming up as a guide, as well as a blue box to determine how far apart you want your lines. So you can use that to help you. Now, so I just showed you how you can copy the line by simply clicking duplicate. That's one way. Another way you could do it, guys, is to press on CTRL on your computer. Whilst pressing on that, you will press on C. So CTRL plus C will allow you to copy the line, and then you press CTRL plus V. So CTRL and V, and that will allow you to copy the lines, as many lines as you want to copy. So now that I have these lines, I'm just gonna go about spacing them the way I want them to be spaced right now. So let's get this one looking like that. All right, and then I'm gonna bring this one up. All right, now that should be good. So I need to fill up this page. I'm going to click on 100% again so I can minimize it. I'm going to click on 75% to minimize it so I can see more of what I'm doing. So I want to avoid having to be clicking on duplicate to get one line at a time. I want to get all of these lines at a time. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So I'm just gonna click up here and drag. Once that's done, guys, you can go back to duplicate right here and click on it. And then once you have that set of lines, now you will just click on it and you position it right there. And this one is off a bit. Let me get that done properly. Alright, we should be good. Yeah, that's looking fine. So that's one way you can do it, guys. Or another way you could do it is, again, you can click up here and then you drag your arrow to cover all of these. Once you've done that, you could again click on CTRL plus C, then CTRL V, and that should copy those lines. Oh dear, that one didn't come out so good. Let me redo. So again, so you could click right here with your arrow and you could, then you would press CTRL C, which is to copy, then CTRL V to get those lines, and then you would drag and position it at a suitable distance. So that's another way that you could just copy your lines as well. I still have more space, so I need to fill up my document some more. So I'm just gonna highlight these lines here and I'm gonna choose duplicate to copy these lines, and then I'll bring them right in line right here. Oh, that one slipped off. Okay, let's do it again. All right, come on, work with me now, please. All right, so I'm going to minimize it some more so you guys can see what this is looking like. All right, guys, so here we have it, right? Now, say you want to make perhaps 10 copies of this page here, 20 copies, 30 copies, 50 copies, however many. I think you can go up to 100 copies. Then what you could do, there are a number of ways you could go about copying it. You can come and click on this icon here that says copy page, and then you would get another page that looks like the first page that you have here. Or what you could do as well is to get multiple pages, 10 pages, 20 pages. You can come here and click on page manager, so that way you'll be able to see your pages across the screen like that. And then let's see, nope. All right, so then you would go about copying your pages here. So here I could just drag, and then once I've dragged, I could go ahead and copy to get these pages. Now that I have 4, I just drag. Let me go again. Now that I have 4 lined pages up, I can just drag and cover all 4. Then I click on copy here, and I get 4 more pages. I'm doing 10, so I'll just drag and have these 2. Then I click on copy, and so here I would have I'm having 10 lined pages that I can go about printing out or anything I desire right now. So for this page, I'm just going to delete it because I don't need it. All right, guys. So basically, that's how you can go about, you know, making lined pages. And of course, you could have decided too, if you wanted to make your pages colored or whatever background, or have any, you know, specific background to them, you could have done that as well. Let me come out of this view so I can show you. Okay, that went to, if you click on this button, guys, you would be able to see one of these documents full screen like this. So you're able to you know, get a bigger view of what you've done. If you need to do that, you could scroll. It's the same thing we're seeing again. All right, to come out of this, you just need to press ESC on your computer. All right, so we're gonna exit Page Manager by clicking on this X right here. And then now, as I was saying, you could change the background of your page. So, and more or less, you'd have done that from the beginning if you wanted your page background to have a, you know, a specific color. But for the purpose of this, I'm just doing it now. So you could click here, make it any color you want, you know. You just see me showing you some different colors here right now. And these are colors that I selected from the palette using brand colors. Black, of course, wouldn't help us right now. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. And there you'll be able to have your journal pages. And yeah, so again, this is how you can create your lined pages using Canva. All right, guys, that's all I have for you for today. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you'll be trying this, or if you've ever tried this before, as well as any tricks you may know of as it relates to, you know, doing your journals using Canva, which you would like to share with us all in the comment section below. So again, guys, that's it for today. Until my next video, bye.